Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. We're going to get this video started here in a second. First, we're going to do the stuff from the sponsor, and then we'll get this iPhone unboxing rolling. Let's get this going. Hey guys, before we get this video started, we want to give a big shout out to our channel partner, Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile guy rides on the T-Mobile network, as you guys know. Great customer service and everything. And right now they're still doing the deflation deal for as low as $45 for 3 months on the unlimited plan, guys. Why don't you go check them out? Use that affiliate link down below. It's mintmobile.com/Carlos. We appreciate them, and let's get this video started. Hey guys, what is going on, guys? I know. You guys have been wondering, what the hell, Los? Where in the damn hell is the unboxing video of the new iPhone? Well, guys, here it is. As you can see right here, you know, we have to get the big boy. We got the titanium blue and 1TB, the Pro Max. And we also got, and these are unlocked models from Apple, we also got the 15 Pro Max natural titanium and 1 terabyte, because you know your boy needs a lot of storage, so you know how it always goes. So, and also, this is another thing, I got the 13 Pro Max, I got the 14 Pro Max, so we're going to do a little bit of comparison. Alright, so let me, God, which one am I going to open first? Which one am I going to open first, guys? You know what? I've been really dying for this one, so we're going to do the natural titanium first. And the other one I can just do it later. All right, so here you guys go. You already know the drills, the drillios. Let's see here. The drillios. Let's get this box going. Come on, man. Boom, boom. Come on, hurry up. And wow. That natural titanium looks really good, guys. Really good. All right. Let's get the rest of this process going. All right, sorry about that, guys. I ended up getting a phone call. Plus, I ended up putting the phone on the tripod. So, let's see here. Let's get it on the mic. Bada beam, bada boom, guys. There she is. You get the braided USB-C cable, but I already got a bunch of these, so to me this doesn't matter using. You already know what else comes in the box. You know, we're not going to go over all that stuff. We're going to get right into the phone, guys, and we're going to get this thing opened up. As you can tell, I always save everything because guess what, guys? That actually helps the resale value of your phone. It actually has helped me a lot. So let's get this going. Let's turn her on. Let's see right here. Come on, baby. There she goes. Look at that. Damn, that titanium just looks so good. The natural titanium actually looks really good, guys. And compared, let me see here, compared to my 14 Pro Max, yeah, this feels a lot lighter. And the 13 Pro Max, oh yeah. So here, guys, I want to give you guys here a little comparison with the backs. So we'll put them side by side right here. Let's get the gimbal. All right, so 13 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max. Look at those differences right there, guys. The camera hump, you can tell it's a lot different here on the 15 than the 14 and then the 13. All right, let's get this process finished up real quick. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the phone, and then once it goes back to the home screen, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I got it set up. So here's the 15 Pro Max. Right now my apps are still installing, so we're waiting on that. But guys, other than that, this looks, so far it's been pretty seamless. But if you're a person like me that has over 700 gigabytes of stuff on your phone, I would really recommend that you do it through iCloud backup instead of doing it through Bluetooth. I learned the hard way and I had to re-erase the phone and redo it again. So just remember that. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to try to set something up with this action button, because the only thing that's crazy, weird, is that I'm going to miss my Switch. And a lot of people saying, oh, you know, the action button is cool and everything, but can't go wrong with the Switch. You know, it's nice having it on silent, but we're going to figure something out with that action toggle. But guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do some nighttime recording, and I'm going to do some daytime recording. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare the cameras between the 15 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max. And then what I'm going to also do is I'm going to copy all the videos so they're all on the same phone. And then we're going to do rendering. So what I do to put the pieces together for the video. And we're going to see what happens. See if the A17 Pro versus the A16 versus the A15, see if it does any difference in literally just setting that up. You know, does the A17 Pro make it better? Does it render faster? You know, we got to figure this out. So, all right, guys, I'll be back here in a little bit. You know, this video might take a little longer to come out. So, probably by the time we do some things, it'll be tomorrow. But I want to get nighttime and daytime stuff for you guys so we can compare a little bit. All right? We will continue this. We'll be right back, guys. All right, this test is on the 13 Pro Max, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, this is 0.5. This is 1x. And then now we're going to go back here. Again, same way. Alright, we get the house right here a little bit. This is on the iPhone 13 Pro Max video test. You guys let me know. Alright guys, this video test is on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the ultra wide lens. Alright, now we're going to go to the main lens, the 1x lens, the house. Right there, the little guard shack. Here we go, the little construction stuff. You guys let me know how back to the ultra wide lens. You guys let me know how the iPhone 14 Pro Max is doing. Off to the next one. All right, guys, this video is on the iPhone 15 Pro Max in 4K 60 frames. iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's see here. This is on the 0.5 lens. That's the regular 1 lens. All right, let's just go back here around 2. All right, this is the test for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro Max, 4K 60 frames. iPhone 13 Pro Max, 4K 60 frames. All right, same thing. All right, you guys let me know how the audio's going. All right, now we're gonna hit the 3X. All right, now we're gonna go back to the main lens and conclude this one. On to the next one. We're on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. iPhone 14 Pro Max, 4K, 60 frames, same stuff. All right, let's see how this goes. Testing. Hopefully the mic's coming good. I don't know. All right, here's the 3X zoom. All right, now we're going to go back to the main lens. All right, guys, we are here recording. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 4K 60 frames. You know, it's like dusk time. Just want to show you guys. You guys let me know. 4K 60 frames, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's test out that 5X real quick. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is I got all these videos set 13 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a render test. All I did was take all the clips that I recorded for night and day mode off of each phone, put it on each one. So it's a total of 4K 60 frame clips. What we're gonna do is render. We're gonna put 4K 60 frames. All right, so that's how much it is. It's 813.7 meg. Oh shit, hold on. Cancel. We're not gonna render just yet. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the timer, and then we're gonna see how long it takes for it to render, and then we'll go between the A15, 16, and 17. So we'll see. All right, let me see if I can get this somehow. 1, 2. What we'll do is we'll time lapse this, guys, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, 4 minutes and 21 seconds it took to do that on the iPhone 13 Pro Max with a 15 chip. So we're going to put that aside now. So you see 4 minutes, 21 seconds. Alright, so we're going to reset the timer. We got the iPhone 14 Pro Max ready. So I'm going to get this going. We're going to do the time lapse. Let's see here. I'll get it going. 4K. 60 frames, just like the other one. Same size, 813.7. Alright, let's see if I can get this done. No, reset. Alright, let's do the time lapse, guys, and we'll see how the A16 does. Alright, guys, so I got done. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So this is the 14 Pro Max rendering. So it literally only saved 1 second between the was it the A15 and the A16. Now let's see, guys. Let's see what the what the friggin' A17 Pro is gonna do, cause I don't know. That's crazy. Literally only 1 second difference. I would have thought it would have been, faster than that. Alright, same thing, 813.7. Let's see if I can get these close enough, and then we'll do the time lapse from there. Let's see. Alright, let's time lapse it, guys, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, so 4 minutes and 22 seconds. It actually took a second longer than the 23, than the, not the 23, the freaking, the, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That is crazy, guys. The phone did not get, it really barely got warm, but wow. So the fastest phone for rendering was the 14 Pro Max. But guys, I mean, so far I've had the phone for a while, so I've had it since, well, I got it on launch date, but I barely just opened it on Sunday, and I've been using it since Sunday, guys. Battery has been great. That's all I can say about the phone so far, but I don't know, guys. I don't know what to think about this. I mean, is it really worth the upgrade? I'm gonna give my thoughts on this. So, is it really worth the upgrade? I mean, if you're sitting on a 12 Pro Max or something like that, then probably. But if you're within a 12 or 13, I would say. But if you're a 14 Pro or Pro Max to upgrade to this, unless you really need that lens and unless you care about that USB-C port, I honestly would say don't. And that's just keeping it real. I mean, it's cool and everything, don't get me wrong, but for USB-C port, for the better, for that 25x camera and stuff, is it really worth it to spend the money again if you got a 14 Pro Max that does just as well? I mean, if you need the data transfer speeds and all that, then sure, but you don't. I'd say you can skip this one. And that's just keeping it real with you guys. I mean, unless you want to get on, the native dish network, then sure. Other than that, there's really no point to upgrade. The screen is nice, don't get me wrong. It is a lot brighter, but that's it, really. Just those few things. I don't know, guys. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to hit that like button. It's always greatly appreciated, guys. Appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. And I hope you guys like a little bit more of a detail, with the video and then the rendering, putting the processor, taxing it a little bit. But we're going to catch you guys in the next one. I'll be doing cellular performance on it. But cellular performance has been really good on this phone. That's where I'll give it. But it's not worth spending the money for cellular performance only. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Peace.